Hi, now that you've got your software installed and you've got your Arduino Ninja's beginner kit, what we need to do is make sure that your computer can see and talk to your Arduino Uno. So the first thing is inside your kit, you should have a cable like this. It's got a USB-A plug and a USB-B plug. If your computer doesn't have any of these older style USB cables, sockets, you will need to get a USB-C to B adapter. That being said, if you look at your software, you should see that up at the top where it says select board, there is nothing in the list. So if we now jump to the Arduino itself, here is our Arduino. We have lots of connections on the side, which we'll use later, but this silver box is the USB connection. So obviously plug one end of that cable into your computer and plug the other end in here. As soon as you do, you should notice a red LED comes on here for on. That means the power to the Arduino is good. And usually, if it's the first time you've switched your Arduino on ever, it will start the last program, and the default program is to make this LED down here flash on and off at 1 flash per second. So it's looking like we're getting power through to the Arduino. Now we need to just double check that the actual computer can talk to it. So in our IDE, from the select board, select the drop down and you should see either something like Arduino Uno or unknown COM3. If you've got unknown, and it could be on a different serial port, COM port, just click that and you get a window that appears which says choose your board. You can either scroll down or you can type the word Uno, and what you have is an Arduino Uno. It's not a mini and it's not a Wi-Fi, so it's this one. Make sure we're on the correct COM port and press OK. If all that's working, then it seems that your computer can see your Arduino and can talk to it. See you next time.